This book made $27,000. This book made $26,000. And this book made $17,000. All examples of low to medium content books that made serious cash. Welcome to the first module of this free masterclass on everything you need to know to run a successful KDP business. This isn't just a quick overview. I'm giving you the full blueprint, start to finish. And no, I'm not going to check your work. There's no quiz at the end. But if you're serious about publishing on Amazon, I highly recommend grabbing the free notebook I've put together for you. It has each module identified with space for notes so you can print it off, follow along, and start taking action right away. You'll find the link in the description. Now, let's dive in. Yep, we're starting from the beginning. What is Amazon KDP?
I thought you'd never ask.
Feel free to fast forward if you already know this one. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is Amazon's self-publishing platform, and it's what makes it possible for anyone to publish books and start selling them without needing a publisher, warehouse, or even inventory. It's a print-on-demand service, which means you don't have to buy stock, store books, or ship anything yourself. You upload your book, set a price, and then someone buys it. Amazon prints and ships it for you. You get a royalty for each sale, and Amazon takes care of the rest. Let's compare that to traditional publishing, where you'd need an agent, a book deal, months of back and forth with editors, and still have no guarantee of success. With KDP, you control everything: what you publish, how much you charge, and how you market your book. That's why this business model is so perfect. Let's talk about how you make money on KDP. The good stuff. How much can you earn? Let's take a deep dive into understanding KDP royalties. Amazon KDP pays royalties based on two factors: the price of your book and the type of book you publish. And if you enroll your ebook in Kindle Unlimited, KU, you can also earn based on how many pages people read through KU's Kindle Direct Publishing Select platform. The key takeaway? Pricing matters, and understanding how Amazon pays you is critical before you even upload your first book. Let's go over the types of books you can publish on KDP. Not all books on KDP are traditional books. In fact, some of the most profitable books don't require any writing at all. Need to pause here for a second. I did it. I made a course. I'm jumping on the bandwagon. This is my theory on courses. Technically, everything I'm providing, I've already given you in many videos you can watch. But people don't like having to scroll through multiple videos, having to mark, hey, is this the video where I found where to upload or how to upload books? Is this a video that shows me how to design a coloring book? So what I've done is I'd put everything into one place for you with PDFs and video references walking you through every step from creating your account all the way through to uploading and publishing. So if you want to click on the link in the description below, you can check out the course. Also, I have ended up giving away so many free items that I've just kind of put it all on one page on my website. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the list of all the free items for you, but don't forget to pick up the template for this one. Thanks. Here's a breakdown of the three main categories. Low content books. These are books where the customer fills in most of the pages rather than reading them. Think journals, planners, logbooks, and coloring books. They sell well because people love customizing and using them in daily life. They're also quick to create with tools like BookBolt, Kindle, and Canva. Medium content books. These books require some content, but they don't need to be 300-page novels. Examples include puzzle books, workbooks, and guided notebooks. They usually have interactive elements where users engage with the content. And high content books. This includes fiction, nonfiction, and how-to guides. If you love writing, this is where you can go all in. A well-written nonfiction book can generate passive income for years. Which type should you publish? Well, that depends on your goals, skills, and how much time you want to put in it. Now, let's chat about how Amazon ranks and recommends books, the algorithm. Selling books on Amazon is more than just uploading a file and hoping for the best. You've seen me publish several videos about this. You need to understand Amazon's algorithm, the system that decides which book gets shown to buyers and which ones get buried. Amazon ranks books based on keywords and categories. When people search for books, Amazon looks at the words in your title, subtitle, and description to figure out if your book is relevant. That's why choosing the right keyword is critical. We'll go into this a little later in some other modules. Sales and conversion rate. If Amazon sees that people click on your book and buy it, they'll start showing it to more people. If they click but don't buy, Amazon will push your book lower in the rankings. That makes sense. Reviews and customer behavior. Just diving into this one even more, so this is a hot topic right now. Books with high ratings and strong engagement, like people spending time reading your ebook or buying multiple books in a series, get recommended more often. Bottom line, if you want your book to sell, you need to optimize it for Amazon's search system. We'll go step by step on how to do that later in another video. Setting up your KDP account, and let's avoid some mistakes. Before you publish a book, you need to set up your Amazon KDP account. This process is simple but important, and I'm going to highlight a few mistakes people make that can get their account flagged or even banned. To create an account, you'll need name, email address, the basics, your banking information so Amazon can pay you, your tax details. Amazon requires tax forms for royalty payments. Common mistakes people make when signing up are using multiple accounts. Amazon only allows one KDP account per person. If you create multiple accounts, they can shut them all down. Submitting incorrect tax info. If you don't submit your W-9 or W-8 BEN tax forms correctly, Amazon may withhold your payments. Or violating KDP policies can also get you shut down. If your books contain copyrighted content, trademark violations, or duplicate content, Amazon can suspend your account. If you follow the steps correctly, you'll be set up and ready to publish in no time. And here's your first assignment. Before we move on to the next module, I have a simple but important assignment for you. Research 3 successful books in different categories: 1 low content, 1 medium content, and 1 high content. Look at the titles, descriptions, pricing, and cover designs. Read the reviews. What do customers love? What are they complaining about in the book? These are all things you can apply to your future books to make sure they're a success. Notice the keywords and categories they're ranking for. Why does this matter? Because success leaves clues. If you want to succeed in KDP, the best place to start is by studying books that are already making money. Let's talk about next steps. In the next module, we'll dive into niche research and market validation. This is where we start looking at what books really sell and people are buying, and how to find profitable niches with low competition. Remember, grab the free notebook in the description, print it out, and take notes. This is your roadmap to KDP success. Treat it like a real business, and you'll see the real results. If you're ready, I'll see you in Module 2.